folks, Fast Ready D here. We're back up in my favorite place, the White Hill Forest Preserve, for the first time this year. Going for a walk. I don't know if you can see on that sign behind me. I'll put a post up if you can't. We're looking to get all the way back to Lily Pad Pond. We'll see if we get back there today. We might stop at Long Pond. We'll see how the fishing is. It's April 1st, opening day of trout season. Been on lockdown for 2 weeks in my house. I have done my 14 days of quarantine. I am going fishing. I will stay away from everybody. I don't care about, this is about as social distance as you can get. I don't know what else to do. If I stay in that house one more day, I'm going to go buggy. Some snow here. Let me turn this around and give you guys a show what we're looking at. Yeah. Hope I don't run into too much of this. That would suck. But we will press on. Boy, it's gonna be a short video if we can't get across this creek. This is the outlet for Little Rock Pond. Oh no, looks like we can get through. Be a little precarious, but we can do it. Not that fat and old. Oh wow, can you guys see this? This Little Rock Pond up there. I think I'm going to press on to Long Pond, fish that, and then fish this when I come back. Whew. I'd say these rocks are a little slippery. It'd be an understatement. We made it. No, I can't trust that first 10 foot of fish line on my fish pole no more. Oh, we got a little bit of ice still on this one. I think we'll be alright. I think I can fish. This is Little Rock Pond. Beautiful place, beautiful place. I'll come down here and give you a little panorama down here. Little Rock Pond. This is Little Rock Pond. This is the second pond we've hit today. As you can see behind me right here, there's a little bit of ice still on this pond on this side. But the main pond itself up there, if you look, it's pretty much clear. So hopefully we're gonna press on to Long Pond. It's up another mile or so, and start fishing there, and then we'll come back and we'll fish this. Oh gosh, this looks beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna push on. Well, we made it in. This is Long Pond. And remember, if you're ever fishing in here, there's no minnows allowed on any of these ponds. Still use worms, but no minnows. Beautiful. Beautiful here. God. Look, I don't know if you can see it over there. There's still some ice on the pond. I don't know, but I'm going to get this camera gear gone. I'm going to make me a cup of coffee, and I'm going to get to fishing. how much of this I'm going to get. My battery's almost dead. But this looks like bear scat. I'm not really sure. It definitely isn't a coyote. Give me an idea. That's a big toad. Let's see what's inside it. Huh. If I had to guess, I'd say it was a horse turd, but horses aren't allowed in here. Maybe moose? Any of you guys from up north know what moose poop looks like? Let me know. Bad time of year. Hope this camera's picking up my audio. I was sitting on the other side of the hill on another pond fishing. I didn't even think I could come over here because of the ice. And I hear there's commotion over here. Well, these frogs are freaking out. I think they're going into a mating in here. And there's still ice on the water, if you can see it. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Hope this is coming out. Can you see the little buggers swimming around out there? Those little dots. That's a frog.